Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I did this graphic eyeliner look. It is fire, all puns intended, and it's actually a lot easier than you think. To start, you're going to want to have a primed eyelid with the color that matches your skin tone and a flat brush of some sorts to draw with. Now you're going to dip that brush in an eyeshadow that matches the eyeliner you're going to use and start to lightly trace out the shape that you want. If it doesn't come out the way you want it to, no worries, just blend it out with a beauty blender and some concealer and retrace it. That's why we haven't done any eyeshadow yet. Now once you're fairly satisfied with how your shape has turned out, you can go back over it with a detail brush and some concealer just to buff out any smudges and create a defined line. Next, you'll start to trace your shape with some eyeliner. The key to this is realizing this is not like normal eyeliner. This will not be done in a few strokes. You need to take your time. You are now an artist and your eyelid is the canvas. Trace the outline in small, short strokes. You literally already have it mapped out for you, so all you have to do is trust yourself and trust the process. Remember, this is still just the first layer, so it does not have to be perfect. Now that you've got a good base, you're going to want to start slowly going back over the lines to make them a little bit thicker. Make sure to take your time and to stop every now and then just to check and make sure that you're not going in too heavy or straying off your outline. Once you've reached the level of thickness that you like, you can stop and begin to tidy up all the edges and any mistakes you made. Now that that's done, you can finally go in and do your eyeshadow. Technically, you could stop here if you want the simplistic graphic eyeliner look, but due to my choice of concealer, that is not an option for me. So use a small detail brush and begin to pack in the eyeshadow. You really want to avoid doing sweeping motions while doing this because it'll start to cover up the eyeliner, but if it does, it's fine because you're going to go back in and redo the eyeliner after you're done with your eyeshadow. I went back in and did some light orange on my inner corners just to add some depth, and of course you can add different shades, do an ombre rainbow, whatever you want. I just wanted to do a bold color since the eyeliner itself was already abstract enough. And I'm going back in with some powdered concealer because of course this was way too light for me, but this is how it came out and I'm actually really proud of this look. Let me know in the comments below if this worked out for you guys, what shapes you used, what look you want me to try next, and I'm also doing a tutorial on how I did my eyebrows, so subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss out on that or any of my videos in the future. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you so much. Okay, bye!